Hi everyone, I am Neha Agrawal. I'm the founder of WiseUp, and in this video, I'm going to share with you a brand new AI tool designed specifically for researchers. With this AI tool, you can find research gaps, perform literature reviews, manage citations, write your research paper, and even create visuals all under one roof. And the best part, it has some unique features that you won't find in any other AI tool yet. The tool I'm talking about is Answer This. When I made my last video on the new AI agent by SciSpace, so many of you commented saying you'd love to learn about new AI tools. So here I am, ready to walk you through this exciting new platform step by step, just as you would actually use it in your research process. Answer This is an all-in-one research assistant, helping you right from your very first research question to preparing your paper for publication. Now let me show you how it works. When you log in, this is the home page, and honestly, most of the magic happens right here. Now there are three main ways how you can use Answer This. First is just like ChatGPT. You type in your question in the search bar and Answer This will give you the answer. Second is to use the prompt helper. This gives you ready-made options for the kind of tasks it can handle. For example, find relevant studies on, or write a literature review on, perform a quantitative analysis on, etc. And the third and the final option is to explore the menu on the left. And this is where you will see all the core features. The AI writer, which can help you write your research paper or research proposal, your personal library, where you can upload and store your papers, paper search option, which is super useful for literature reviews, citation map to find connected papers from one seed paper that you upload, diagrams to automatically generate flowcharts and visuals, and then tools, which include things like Research Gap Finder, Paraphraser, Naturalizer, AI Essay Writer, and even an empathy tool. Now let's go step by step as to how a researcher would actually use it. First is finding a research gap. So here under the prompt helper, I can select identify gaps in literature related to, and then type my topic. For example, here I'm going to write the role of nanoparticles in superhydrophobic antibacterial fabrics. Honestly, the more specific I am, the better results I'm going to get. Another thing I can do is also choose the type of search I want. So the first option is auto, which is like the default model fed into Answer This. Then we have the full review if I want Answer This to do an in-depth scan. And third is Q&A if I want a quick answer to my research question. For this, I'm going to choose the full review option, and within seconds, Answer This will give me a host of topic ideas on which I can do my research. Now the second task is performing literature reviews. Here I can ask Answer This to generate an entire literature review on a topic or even a research proposal. Now the interesting part is that I can set the source. So basically whether it should scan my uploaded library, the papers that I'm going to add right now, the internet, or journal articles only. I can also further specify with the help of a filter the number of citations that those papers should have, the journal quality ranging from Q1 to Q4, databases that it should pull the information from, and even the publication year range. For power users, there is also a pro mode that uses an advanced model. With so many filters and so many options, I have complete control on how my literature review should be conducted. The third feature is accessing and managing research papers. Now, once the results show up, I can see exactly which papers were used, dig deeper into them, save them into my library, and even I can chat with some of the papers if the PDF is available. This can be really useful because I don't just get an answer, I also know where that information is coming from. Another interesting tool to use at this stage is the citation map, which allows you to find additional papers and main authors on a particular topic. So instead of going through random individual papers, with the help of citation map, you can see how different studies are connected with each other. This can be really useful when you're trying to build a background for your literature review. Now, the next interesting feature is the AI writer. So once your research proposal or literature review is generated, you can use the AI writer to further polish and structure your draft. You can use it to expand the notes, create outlines, or even write a section in proper academic tone. You can also use the paraphrase tool here to rephrase a complex idea without changing its meaning. This can be very useful if you want to keep your writing plagiarism free. Another tool that you can use at this stage is the empathy tool, and this is a unique one because this tool transforms your writing in a way which is more reader friendly, which is basically the layman language of the technical jargons that you use. This can be very helpful when you're preparing research summaries or outreach material for non-academic audiences. Now, the final tool I'd like to share with you is the diagram tool. To further support your writing, you can also use the diagram tool, for example, to explain your methodology or summarize the workflow. Although not of super great quality, it can instantly turn your concepts or thought process into visuals and flowcharts without having to use a separate software. So if I were to summarize, the real strength of Answer This lies in doing detailed literature review with citation mapping, with some add-on features like creating diagrams, writing help, and even controlling the quality of sources where the information is coming from. So if you're a student or researcher looking to simplify your workflow, then Answer This is definitely worth trying. I've put the link and discount coupon in the description below for you. So guys, that's all I wanted to share with you today. Now, if you wish to learn in detail how to write a research paper, right from choosing a research topic to writing each and every section of your research paper perfectly, and also knowing the best AI tools that can make this process easier for you, then you can join me for my course on A to Z of research paper writing. The link is also in the description. And now, if you wish to know about the top 3 AI tools for research writing, then comment top 3 tools and I will come back with another amazing video. Thanks for watching and I wish you have a fantastic research journey ahead.